In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a white and a varnish layer in Epson Edge Print. I've already preloaded a print file here. We're going to click on Basic Settings on the right side, and under Number and Order of Layering, we are going to select Triple Layer, White Color Varnish, Glossy, or White Color Varnish Matte. I'm going to select Glossy. And you can see on the left now we have two added layers. First we have the white layer, our color layer, and then we have our third varnish layer. So currently white and varnish have no data. We're going to set the parameters for those now. Select the white layer, and then we're going to click on Layer Settings all the way at the bottom in the right navigation bar. On Creating Method, we're going to select Image. Under Number of Overprints, we're going to leave it 1. If you want to have more ink coverage, we can do 2 layers of white and then color and varnish on top, but I'm going to leave it at 1 layer of white, which is usually enough. And under Adjust Enlargement Amount of Image, I'm going to do -2 pixels, which will choke the white layer around the edges of the image just by 2 pixels. So this will avoid any white ink peeking out at the edges of our image when we print it on our item. Then we're going to do the same thing for our varnish layer. Let's click on Varnish on the left side. And here also the creating method should be Image. And the enlargement amount we can leave at 0 pixels. Now we have set here the varnish layer, we have the color layer and the white layer. And our print file is ready, and we just need to click the print button, and Epson Edge Print is going to rip the file and send it over to the printer. And that's it.